Greetings, Africa. Ahmet LO here to discuss today the state of asset management in Africa's real estate markets. The real estate asset management sector in Africa has seen significant growth in recent years. One of the significant trends is the increasing demand for sustainable and green buildings. Investors are becoming more conscious of environmental, social, and governance factors, which has led to a surge in the development of energy-efficient properties. Green buildings have the potential to reduce energy consumption by up to 50% and water usage by 30%. This trend is driving asset managers to incorporate sustainable practices into their portfolios to attract environmentally conscious investors and tenants. Another trend is the rise of mixed-use developments, a combination of residential, commercial, and recreational spaces within a single property. These developments are gaining popularity in urban areas across Africa due to their convenience and the increasing demand for live, work, play environments. In cities like Lagos, Johannesburg, and Nairobi, mixed-use projects have become a staple of urban planning, offering asset managers diversified revenue streams and reduced risk exposure. Despite the promising growth prospects, there is a lack of market transparency and reliable data, though efforts are being noticed in countries like Senegal, Nigeria, and regional areas like Central Africa and South Africa. Apart from lacking regulatory authorities in some regions, many countries have inadequate property registration systems, making it difficult for asset managers to access accurate information about property values, ownership, and transaction history. This lack of transparency can hinder investment decisions and increase the risk of fraud and disputes. Navigating the complex regulatory frameworks in different African countries requires a deep understanding of local laws and proactive approach to compliance. For example, in the West African Economic and Monetary Union region, recent changes in prudential regulations by the Central Bank of West African states have impacted real estate investment, particularly for institutional investors. The latter have less than 50% of real estate assets in their portfolio, according to Ahmet LO Capital Real Estate. Despite these challenges, the sector offers immense opportunities for growth and innovation as there is a significant demand for housing, retail, hospitality, and office spaces. Furthermore, leveraging technology and innovative solutions to meet this demand are well positioned for success. A study by Deloitte highlights that the adoption of PropTech solutions can enhance property valuation accuracy by 20% and reduce transaction times by up to 30%. In addition to growing interest in real estate investment trusts and other collective investment schemes provides asset managers with new avenues for raising capital and diversifying their portfolios. Countries like South Africa, Kenya, and Ghana have introduced legislation to support the establishment of rates, offering investors a more accessible way to participate in the real estate market. Several companies across Africa exemplify successful real estate asset management practices. For instance, Ahmet LO Capital Real Estate, operating in West Africa, specializes in managing portfolio for institutional investors such as banks and insurance companies. The company employs a holistic approach, focusing on strategic planning, risk management, and performance optimization to achieve superior returns for its clients. In Nigeria, Asset and Resource Management Holding Company, ARM, has established itself as a leading player in the asset management industry with a focus on real estate funds. ARM's expertise in market analysis and strategic asset allocation has enabled it to deliver consistent returns to investors even in challenging market conditions. Apart from local asset managers in real estate, there are also regional and Pan-African asset managers that operate at a broader scale in sub-Saharan Africa. Though there are hurdles in the sector at a continental scale, asset management in real estate ought to be brought to the attention of institutional investors in rapidly growing companies in emerging African markets. Stay updated with AML Estate Intelligence for more real estate news and data. Thank you very much.